Love the Lord, but some days I get sad, and I'm glad I can vent with this pen on my pad. And I read.
Alright, I am out here on the track for day 7. I decided to skip the at-home workout and come out here and get some of this fresh air, and also so I can run. Running allows me to drop the weight a little faster and also pick up my endurance. So that's what I was doing. All right. I'm probably at about a quarter away to a mile, and I am running some and walking some. I walk for as much as I can. I'm sorry. How you doing? I run for as much as I can until I get tired, and then I start walking. But I walk fast, you know, and I move my arms too. Hold my tummy in. And I also breathe into my nose and out of my mouth. All those things I talk about, I do. Look at this sunlight. Ooh wee. Oh yes, look at that. Oh yes. Oh yes. All right, I'm about to get into another run. So I want to come on and let you guys know I'm only doing 30 minutes today because I pick my son up from band practice and then pick up the baby. So I give myself a good 30 minutes to do these 2 miles. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do today. 2 miles. Peace out. And may God bless you.